Oh, there we go. Oh, fits in my drag. Drag's real loose. Alright guys, made it to the spot. Here at the Cuyahoga River. We're doing 2 rods again today. First one for smallmouth, the good old trusty PB&J PRD. Also got these little gulp nightcrawler things, 3 inches. See if that makes any difference with the smell from this. And then on the bigger rod, we're going for some pike. Got some hard baits, some Rapalas, suspending, stuff like that. Alright, let's go. Alright, starting off with just little mushroom head shade. We're using the gulp nightcrawler instead of the Z-Man TRD today. But we'll see how that goes. Oh. Already noticing that it doesn't stay on. What's so great about Z-Man is they just stick. This keeps sliding around, this gulp. And we already switched it back to the Z-Man. It's just so much more durable. The gulp fell off after 2 casts. Oh, there we go. Thank God, beat the skunk. 7 hours later. Whew. Little guy. Still. Not too bad. Pretty. Should have released on him. There he goes. Let's go. Finally got one on the board. It's good old PB&J net ready. Get the hell out of here. There we go. Is that a rock bass? Perch. Wow, did not expect that. Oh, pretty. All right, good release on him. All right, guys, it's a couple days later. We've had a ton of rain this past couple days. The water is super murky now and brown, so we're switched it up. We're going with this mini chartreuse chatterbait with a little chartreuse and copper, little Ned rig off the back. Hopefully this works a little better in this real muddy water. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Is it a pike? Smallie. Hell yeah. That was sick. I hope I caught that on GoPro. Look at that thing. Look at the size of the bait compared to the fish. It's a bait smallmouth. That was sick. I hope you could see that eat on the GoPro. Let's just get these troubles out without getting them stuck in me. Chill out, chill out. Look at the stripes on this guy. Okay, dude, you need to chill. I'm not trying to get treble hooks in me right now. Look at that, guys. That's Smallie. See the stripes on him? Hey, not a bad one. All right, should release over here. There he goes. Let's go. There we go. Oh, it came off. I think that was a rock bass, though. It's a good one. Damn. Except though it's so hard, I threw him off. Let's see if there's another one. Oh, fits in my drag. Drag's real loose with a Smallie. Ah. Oh my god. Get over here. That's a nice Smallie. Hell yeah. There we go. There we go. Come on. Got him. Got him. Look at that. Was I recording? Thank God. Look at that beautiful fish. Alright, let's get that hook out of him. Hook him right out. Nice. Messing around with my drag. Just did a release on this guy. Hell yeah. Let's go.